You got a suspended license.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Let me go and get all your paperwork.
Nah. Steady fucking with me. Every time I look up that.
So, you gonna give me your stuff?
Yeah, I might give it to you.
All right, come on.
He pulls up to a stoplight, says something to a cop, and minutes later, he's in handcuffs. But here's what makes this different. This wasn't a random stop. This was someone the police already knew. They were watching him, calling him out on the radio, following him. And the moment they got the chance, they made the stop. This case raises a serious question. Was this a lawful stop, or just an officer acting on a grudge? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the law and your rights in real police encounters.
What they say? What they say? You leave me the fuck alone. What's wrong with you?
Still,
What it say?
you want to stop in traffic,
Now,
start cussing
what
at
it
me.
say? What it say? What it say?
I'm telling you why I
All right,
stopped
now,
you.
give my paper.
Bro,
Yeah, what? What?
bro, you got a problem?
What?
Do you got a problem?
What? Leave me the fuck alone. Every time I look up, it's you.
Bro, wasn't nobody
I don't
messing
give a
with you.
fuck
You
about
stopped
none
in
of
the middle of
that shit.
traffic.
I don't give a fuck
Stopped in
about
the
none of
middle
that.
All right?
Yeah, you heard what I said.
So what?
What's happening?
I'm telling you what happened. Why I stopped
Bro,
you.
leave me the fuck
No,
alone, brother.
don't
Every time I
stop.
look up,
You pulled
I
up
don't
on
give a
me.
fuck about none
What
of
you
that.
mean? You pulled
said
up
my
on
license
me.
suspended? Yeah, I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Come down to 7 man. I don't know what's going on. We're at
Nah, now you're going to cuff. Now you're going to
Do
cuff.
something.
Come on.
Do something. Nigga, get the fuck out of me. Don't touch me. Don't touch
Give
me.
him his code to pocket for it. Hands behind your back.
Don't touch me.
No, hands behind your back. No, he's going to. This is my stop. This is my stop. Hey, dude. This is not.
Let me go.
No.
Let me go. Don't touch me.
Put him in cuffs. Huh?
Don't touch me. Don't touch
Put
me.
him in cuffs.
We gonna get him in cuffs. Step back.
Everybody back. What we doing?
He's going to cuffs.
What?
Huh? Disorderly. They said they're going to put him in cuffs. Y'all can reduce codes. Get down here for crowd control. Clear the net.
Step back.
Every time I look up, it's your bitch ass.
Absolutely.
Step back. I got you.
Hey, where your car at?
Right there.
Why are you locking him up? That's the real racist shit.
Whose car is this?
I don't know.
Hey, is this your car?
Montgomery. Hey, open your car. Open your car. They're putting him in your.
We gonna put him in there.
We didn't get him out. You want to leave the car?
Say what?
Do we want to leave the car? Huh?
So what's it getting?
A disorderly.
Okay.
For one, he pulled up next to me at the light, wanted to come cussing me instead of drive.
Okay, Kurt, what you got him for?
Disorderly.
Okay,
Blocking traffic up there, cussing at me at the lights. Only reason I stopped, man, is to suspend the license.
okay,
Well, nobody gonna mess with him otherwise.
okay. I'm just saying.
You just want to leave? Do we just want to leave the car and get out of here? He's going for disorderly. Disorderly? Okay. Do we want to leave the car and get out of here or what?
That ain't
What
our
happened?
business. That's y'all business. Y'all want to follow this man all night, do what you got to do. And I'm hot too.
Okay.
But that's not my business. I asked him why he stopped me. He told me. I ain't got no problem with that. He doing his job.
I know what's going on here.
Okay.
What do you have?
Y'all were calling out saying girl bottles. Y'all were calling out saying girl bottles. At the light, no idea what's going on. He pulled up on me, stopped in the middle of traffic, cussing. Record.
He did?
Yeah. And I
Okay.
pulled up in the traffic stop, hopped up the car.
Is he driving?
Yeah, he was driving. He said
Okay.
he had a paper with like a,
I'm listening.
supposedly a paper saying he had like granted license privilege for this amount of time.
Okay, but he stopped in the middle of the roadway and was cussing at you?
Yeah, right over there.
Okay.
So
If you got to be in the flow of traffic, then, and if you're doing disorderly, then do disorderly.
then you want to.
If you don't have towable stuff, then I would say let a family member take the car.
It would have been assault if they didn't hop in.
Huh?
It would have been assault on him if they didn't hop in.
Okay.
So he was bucking up to me.
Well, if you're gonna do that, get that arranged, okay?
I'm gonna get out of here with him.
Do you want me to get that arranged for you?
What?
So he showed you that he's got a good driver's license.
I don't know.
He was showing you his temporary driver's license.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
Y'all director, who's the lieutenant, who's the sergeant, who's on this case right now?
I can get a supervisor on the
I need
phone
to talk
for
to
you.
a supervisor right now, please.
Okay. What would you like to ask them?
I want to know why is my nephew detained in that car for one thing. We have paid every ticket. Y'all just released him, and why is he in that car? Because y'all don't understand. It is hard for people right now, and y'all want people to trust y'all. But how can these people trust y'all?
Hold on. Why are you saying y'all? Did I do something?
Us, period. All of us.
Okay.
And we come
No,
to
but I'm
keep
saying,
hurting one
did I
another.
do something?
What did y'all do to him? Why did the lady jack my nephew up in his collar? I'm answering the question because I'm his auntie.
Okay.
And I want to know so the rest of the family can get down here because we need to know why.
Okay, I will find out for you. My supervisor won't know
Please.
that. I just pulled up here.
Can you please find out for me because these are some very rude police officers. But how do I tell kids to trust the police when the police keep doing things to their person that love them?
Right.
Nick Thompson, all the kids love that young man. Y'all constantly keep locking him up. Locking him up for what though? Ain't too many people out here doing nothing for no kids.
Right.
Name me somebody that's taking care of the kids, feeding the kids, getting the kids somewhere to go, activities. Name me another person that's in this city that's doing that.
Yeah. Well, I will get that information for you and I'll let you know.
Come talk to me. Come talk to me. I'm gonna talk to him. Hey, buddy. You said something about your driving privileges and your suspension stuff.
Yes, I was.
This piece of paper.
It said to and from work, and right now this is work. I'm getting paid.
What about this is work?
This is work. This is our event. We getting paid for the event, so I already got that approved in court because I know it's gonna pull me over for my license.
Okay. Do you have anything that shows that?
It said to and from work. Right? That's
I mean, yes, the court approving you to come here. My only problem is you're claiming that this is a piece of work.
I am a promoter, so I get paid to promote. So this is work. Y'all know I'm a promoter. That's the whole point of me. I don't have no other job, so this is work. That's why I got a permit for work.
Okay. Is this your event?
This is my event. I'm on the flyer.
I don't know what happened, right? But so what is explained to me is that you either jumped out while you were in traffic or something like that. Were yelling at that officer or something. Man, if your license is good, you can't. I mean, come on, man.
Every time I look up, they with me, man. Every time, bro, y'all steady. I'm tired of this shit. Every day they pulling up on me, and I'm not doing nothing. So like, I'm tired of they with me, bro. Like, I'm not doing nothing. Why is they like right now? What is y'all down here for?
Okay.
I'll do it, officer. I'm paying, so y'all don't trust y'all own officers.
Okay. I've already talked to you. I'm probably gonna release the car to your sister. Okay.
And I don't got no problem with this dude. Every time I see him, he.
Okay. All right.
Let me go talk to her. Your license suspended. How you know that? So he was already running my name.
Let him know keys. He has his keys. He's okay with that.
Yeah,
that's
the one in the pink is what he wants.
Okay, perfect.
That's what I'm asking you. How do he know my license is suspended?
Back up.
Y'all good with leaving the car here?
If he has a permit, then I don't see a reason to tow him.
Huh?
If he has a permit, then I don't see a reason to tow him.
He's still gonna arrest for disorderly.
Okay, I don't know what you have on him, but if his license is good, then I wouldn't tow him.
Okay. You good taking him to jail with me? Huh? Yeah, I'm going there too. Once we get him in, you can leave.
Where are you going up disorderly?
Huh? For one, I wouldn't even follow him. Y'all called him out. I wouldn't even follow him. Y'all called him out. He pulled up on me, started cussing at me, blocking traffic.
Here you go. Oh no, he said give the keys to Kayla. If his license is good, then yeah, we'll do that.
You wanna follow me then?
Yeah, we'll find Kayla.
When you break this case down, the biggest issue isn't what happened after the stop. It's what justified the stop in the first place. Under the Fourth Amendment, police can't just pull someone over because they recognize them, don't like them, or think something might be wrong. They need reasonable suspicion. Specific, articulable facts that a law was violated. And here that line gets blurry. The officer claims he remembered the driver had a suspended license. But memory isn't always enough. It has to be recent, reliable, and specific. Otherwise, it becomes guesswork. And guesswork is not a lawful basis for a stop. Now look at what happens next. The situation escalates quickly. Voices go up, tension builds, and suddenly, disorderly conduct. That's where things start to look familiar, because disorderly conduct is one of the most commonly used charges when a stop doesn't fully hold up on its own. It's broad, it's flexible, and it often gets used when things get heated. But here's what really stands out. Even the other officers on scene don't seem fully convinced. They question it. They try to de-escalate. That tells you something. Now, to be clear, the driver didn't help himself. He escalated, he got loud, and that gives officers room to act. But none of that matters if the stop itself wasn't lawful to begin with. This is what a questionable stop looks like. When police go from "we think something's wrong" to "we're going to make it stick," that's where rights get tested. Know your rights, because when a stop starts with a weak reason, everything that comes after it can fall apart in court.
Not to speak for them, because I don't work for them. I don't want to promise you this and then they say something different. But you're catching a C misdemeanor. All they should do is get your fingerprints, photo, book you in real quick, and then they'll OR you out. You shouldn't have a bond or anything.
So disorderly conduct. What's disorderly conduct?
I can read it to you, but it covers a lot of things. Basically, it's with the purpose of recklessly engaging or purposely engaging in any conduct that would create public alarm, public annoyance. There's literally so many things to it, but there's a lot of things that constitutes it. You know, threats, if somebody's naked in public, all kinds of stuff.
I said not one threat.
No, I get you, but from where I'm at, right, because I was out there with him, you say you have the paper that says that you're good to drive.
Right.
Why not just hand it to him and just
I
let
gave
them?
it to him.
I know, but then you immediately swiped it away. And then you went up to 10.
Because he was talking for one.
Look, I get it. But all I'm saying is you were up here, right? Which created people coming around, all kinds of stuff. You know what I'm saying?
The dude steady.
Personally, I've never met you in my life. I don't know how you know him or anything
all y'all
like
on the
that.
same crew. All y'all on the same little squad.
Right. But I have never met you. I don't know what they did with you or how they dealt with you.
He just jumped out on me in front of my restaurant the other day.
See, so I wasn't there. I don't know anything about y'all's interaction. I've never met you once. So. But if you're saying he does know you and he has knowledge of you, that would be a reason that he would know your license wasn't good.
So how do, if you're doing a traffic stop, why would you be looking for my,
so if he has knowledge of you and he knows you and knows that your license has been suspended for any reason, he can do an investigative stop to see if you're still good to be driving, right? That's all it was.
So basically you pulling me over, but you just took me to jail the other day, like not even a week ago.
I don't know.
What you got?
Just disorderly.
You ain't got no warrant, so.
Subscribe for more real legal breakdowns like this.